President, the mainstay of the club. Club Executive Committee consists of 1. Officers of the club, who are the President, the Vice President, the immediate past President, the Secretary, Treasurer. These are the elected officers. And 2. Other Executive Committee members, not more than 6 other members, including the ISO and editor. They are appointed, they are not club officers. Tenure of office. You were elected for a year. You may continue as president for 1 more year with the permission of your club. Maximum tenure is 2 consecutive years. In a new club, the charter president may continue as president for 1 more year with the permission of the club. Responsibilities as president. You are the chief executive officer. You are responsible for the well-being of the club. Make sure other club officers fulfill their responsibilities. Guide where necessary. Maintain records and make sure the other club officers maintain their records. Make sure the membership file and the audit report file of your club are maintained. Maintain personal contact with all members. Be impartial in all matters. Aim to promote friendship and service. Signatory of the bank account. The club treasurer is the first signatory. You and the club secretary are the second signatories. Make sure you are informed before a check is issued, even for an approved expense. Club meetings. A minimum of 10 general body and 10 executive committee meetings. The president presides over all club meetings. Only the president can wear the collar. In the absence of the president, the vice president conducts the meeting. In the absence of both, the immediate past president conducts the meeting. Executive committee meetings. Every general body meeting should be preceded by an executive committee meeting. Executive committee members meet to discuss project appeals and other club matters before presenting them at the general body meetings. General body meetings. All decisions are made at general body meetings. Minutes of the previous meeting should be passed at every meeting. Treasurer's report has to be given at every meeting and it should be minuted. Every expense has to be approved at the GP meeting. Give a brief report of the club's activity since the previous meeting. Give information on district, association and international happenings and events. Quorum. Quorum is necessary to make a decision at a meeting. You need 20% of the members of the club, 4 members of the executive committee. Club governance. These 4 books will give you the information you need to conduct your business as president. 1. The IAW Constitution book. 2. Association Bylaws book. 3. Guidelines for clubs, districts and association. 4. The President's Manual. Every club has a copy of these books. If your club doesn't, place an order with the district treasurer. You will get a handbook, Sankalp, from the chairman. You may also consult district chairman for guidance in any matters of club governance. Installation. The new inner wheel year starts on 1st of July. Club installations must take place by the last week of July at the latest. Have you planned the installation? Taken date from chairman, fixed venue and chief guest, made the agenda, briefed the MC and members of their tasks? Have the club banner, the theme banner, the podium banner? Have all officers' pins, members' pins? Decided installation projects? Invited members who are to be inducted? Invitations made and sent in time to members, to district EC, PDCs and co-presidents? Preparing to take charge as president. Resolutions to be passed either at the GB meeting in June or at the installation. 1. Change of bank signatories. 2. Appointment of auditors. Make sure you receive these from your immediate past president. 1. President's file. 2. Club seal. 3. IAW Constitution book, Association bylaws book, guidelines for clubs, districts and association, and the President's manual. 4. Records of the previous years. Chairman's visit to your club. The district chairman visits your club in her official capacity. Purpose of the visit? To review the functioning of your club. The chairman's visit consists of 3 parts: project visit, executive committee meeting, general body meeting. Make sure you fix a date with the chairman for each of the 3 parts. All details regarding the chairman's visit are given in the President's manual. Please refer to it well in time to prepare for the visit. Club extension. Increase membership of the club with quality members. New member induction can be done during installation, chairman's visit, and at club general body meetings. The president or any past president of the club can induct a new member in a club general body meeting. Give the new member a member pin. Make sure the membership fee is collected and remitted to the district treasurer. Make a membership form for the new member. Encourage new members to attend district, association and international events to get to know Inner Wheel better. Make sure the new member feels comfortable and accepted. Involve new members in club activity to help them assimilate into the club. Club election. Club officers are elected officers, though usually no election is necessary at the club level. Club officers for the following year are usually decided in December. District election. Nomination for district officers. The district calls for nominations in September. If there is a candidate from your club, make sure the member is eligible for the post and pass a resolution nominating her for the post at a general body meeting. Send your club nominations to reach the district secretary before the last date. The club will receive a list of valid nominations. If there is more than one nomination to a district post, elections will be held, usually during the district conference. Club voting delegates. The president and secretary are usually the club voting delegates. Clubs with more than 50 members have 3 voting delegates. The third voting delegate is appointed by passing a resolution at a general body meeting. The club voting delegates attend district committee meetings, assembly and conference. They report the business discussed at these meetings to the club. Voting in a club election. The club voting delegates vote on behalf of the club. Every club has 2 votes in a district election. Clubs with more than 50 members have 3 votes. If a club voting delegate is unable to attend, a proxy voting delegate is appointed by passing a resolution at the general body meeting. The third and proxy voting delegates should carry the resolution appointing them as the voting delegates, printed on a club letterhead and duly signed. They will not be allowed to vote unless they produce the letter to the tellers. Votes are cast in the district election as per the decision made at the general body meeting of the club. It is not the personal choice of the voting delegates. Association and IAW election. Club presidents receive the association and IAW ballots. If you do not receive the ballots, please inform the district chairman or secretary. In the case of association ballots, they will ask for duplicate ballots for your club. Please note, once you request for duplicate ballots, you will have to fill and return the duplicate ballots only. Do not use the original ballots if duplicates have been requested. In the case of IAW ballots, if you don't receive them, the duplicates can be downloaded from the IAW website. Please contact the district chairman or secretary. Read the instructions and follow them carefully while filling the ballots and the envelope to avoid the ballots becoming invalid. Read the biodata of the candidates and decide on the candidate your club will support at the general body meeting of your club. Be prompt in sending the ballots to IAW and association. Some friendly advice. Teamwork is one of the keys to successful club management. Work in harmony with the club officers, especially the club secretary. Consider members' opinions and views. Give information about projects and events early enough for members to be able to attend. Arrange as many fellowship programs as possible. Encourage members to attend club and district events. Maintain an account of the projects of your club with photographs. Acknowledge correspondence. Reply promptly. When not possible, communicate reason for delay. When you invite a guest outside of Inner Wheel, make the person comfortable so she has a good impression about Inner Wheel. Offer hospitality and extend friendship to Inner Wheel members from other districts. Be prepared to give quite a bit of your time to Inner Wheel during the year. To guide a club is an enriching and interesting experience that often represents a turning point in the life of an Inner Wheel member. Best wishes for a great year.